We are back today with yet another unboxing and first impressions videos. Let's break into it and see if these fragrances smash the box. Today we've got another first impression for you guys. It's starting to get into fall time. I wanted to up my fall time game, so I've had a few single orders come in over the last couple of weeks. I saved them all for you guys. Didn't open any of them so that we could experience the first impressions together. Can't remember what's in this one. I think it might be a Boss fragrance, but let's take a look. So what we've got here is Hugo Boss, the scents from the scents line that really crammed that box into the plastic baggie. Hit myself in the head with the box on the way down. And this one is Hugo Boss, the scent Pure Accord. We've got an eau de toilette concentration in a 100 ml bottle, 3.3 fluid ounces. And how do they do that? Is it 3.3 to 3.4? Like, which one's 100 mils, guys? Come on, get with the program. Different brands do it differently. I guess they want to, their labeling can come down to 20% difference. Is that the 20%? They want to cheat you out of that 0.1 amount of fragrance that you can get. So on the back, we've got the box. It's kind of like a matte box here. The Hugo Boss gold embossed texture on the front there. Or if it's like a peach colored, a fresh spicy take on the original Oriental fragrance. This is supposed to be a fresh spicy take on it. It's got ingredients, concentration. There is a batch code on the bottom with a barcode of authenticity. Crack into this puppy. Let's get rid of the box. Chuck it. See if I can hit myself in the head again. No, I missed. And I do have a couple other Boss the Scent fragrances in my collection. We have Boss the Scent Absolute, the original Boss the Scent. So this is the original. So we're just looking at color wise in these three. You can see this one, the juice, and this one for the bottle presentation is a little bit clearer. It's less color. So, watered down apple juice, maybe. Bud Light, that type of color, right? Water, basically. And you've got the original Boss the Scent with a little bit more of an amber color. You can see I've used this a little bit here. Is darker, and this one has a little bit of a, just the colors kind of match the fragrance. This one has a little bit of a booziness to it. These are actually surprisingly, like, you look at the bottle and you think, man, that's going to be like dark and sweet, but it's not. It's actually a little bit fresher than you'd think, and that's because in this particular line there is a maninka fruit note that is pretty good. And in fact, I think this one smells quite a bit like the original smells quite a bit like Spice Bomb Night Vision with maybe just a little bit less scent, but the smell, the sweetness of it. So let's grab a test strip and we will get into the first impressions of it. I'll compare it with the other two as well, give you guys my thoughts. Not an in-depth review. I will be doing a whole line review on the Boss the Scent. Once I've collected enough of them, we'll do a whole buying guide on that. Let's take a look at the atomizer, see how many times it takes to spray it. So yeah, so this is spicier. I just ate it. I got a fan on above me here, and that blew it right into my mouth. So yeah, so this is different. This is spicier, but yet it's fresher, almost to the point where it kind of gives you like a licoricey feel, but it's not licorice. It's like those licorice hard candies, maybe, or licorice jelly bean. Because that's that spice coming in there. I mean, that's good. That's good. In fact, I like that one better than the original. It has a little bit of an Invictus-y vibe to it, but it's spicier. It doesn't smell like bubble gum, but it's close. It's like it almost wants to go that route, but it's got spice. I really like this. I really like this. I like this line together, but this one I actually like the most. I mean, let's not get ahead of ourselves too far. Let's smell the other two and see, if my memory serves me correct. The atomizers on these aren't like super great, but they are decent in that regard. Yes, okay, so the original smells like apple juice for me, but it's the maninka This is fresher, but it's spicier. This is Manika with a little bit of a boozy accord, right? Not booze, but like more of like an applesauce. Maybe you got the Manika fruit, maybe some pink pepper. Definitely darker. So the original is definitely darker. Not a lot, but this one's spicier. I don't have anything in my collection that really smells like this. Not anything close to it exactly. I like this. I like this. Give you a shot of the bottle up here. Close-up shot of the bottle. The scent. Boss, Hugo Boss, pure accord. See what the bottom looks like. Batch code. Nothing written on the inside of the cap. Nothing written on the top of the side of the cap. Just a plastic atomizer. Not pressurized. Let's spray the scent pure absolute. Let's give this one a whiff and compare it. Fresh my memory. So this is spicy too. This one smells like a little bit of like a coconut, almost to the point of a liqueur scent. But it's got a coconutty vibe to it, but it's spicy. Not quite as spicy as these other ones, but the original's good. It's just first impressions here. You know, blind buy. I'm gonna go late summer, early fall. Fall. You could even wear this in the summertime. Spring for sure. Spring, summer. Maybe not on the hottest days because of the spice. Fall, early fall. All of these are good, by the way, but these two for me, the Absolute and the Pure Accord. I like that one. I like that one. I like this one too, though. Out of 10 rating for the Pure Accord, because that's the one that we're unboxing today. It's just off the first impressions. I haven't worn it yet. I don't know how it's gonna smell on my skin. I don't know how the longevity is or any of those good things. 9 out of 10, man. I'm going 9 out of 10 on this puppy. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you check back, hit that like, subscribe button. Let me know, what Boss the Scents you have? Let me know down in the comments down below which one you like, which one do you prefer? What one don't I have that I really need to buy next? What's the next one that I need to go find, go hunt for? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe on your way out of here. Appreciate it. All the love, the views, the subscribes. We've been doing this for like a month now. We're at 105, 106 subscribers at the time of this for only 1 month of doing this deal on YouTube on fragrances. So I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the help, the hype, the likes, the subscribes, all of that good stuff. We will see you guys next time. I'm out of here.